shining a spotlight on the fabulous and influential Miss Sethii, a leading force in the world of plus-size curvy modeling. Known as the Insta Queen, Miss Sethii has captured the hearts of social media with her mesmerizing beauty and empowering confidence. Hailing from India, Miss Sethii's passion for fashion and modeling has been evident from a young age. Her journey began with sharing her striking photos on Instagram, where her unique style and uplifting following. But there's more to Miss Sethii than just stunning photos. She offers her followers a peek into her vibrant life, from glamorous photo shoots to everyday moments. Her collaborations with top fashion brands emphasize body positivity and inclusivity, making her a true icon in the industry. Embrace your individuality and let confidence be your guiding star. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive content about your favorite models. Be sure to follow Miss Sethii on Instagram to keep up with her latest updates and celebrate the beauty of body positivity.